still manipulate a little bit of the QL behind. So I want you to breathe, have a nice breath, and as you exhale, good, I can feel that. As you exhale, let your body soften around my fingers. Let it out, good. Oh, good, we had a nice release there. And I can add a gentle rock, just very gentle rocking on this muscle. Good. I'm going to follow the fibers up even higher. You feel like I'm on the same muscle? Yeah. Yep. You can get very deep doing this, but you need to be very slow. Slow. It's the muscle of trust. This is a big trusting. Now I want you to gently internally rotate and externally rotate slowly this leg, the leg that I'm on. Being toes in, good. Oh yeah, breathe. Oh, very tight. And then externally rotate slowly. Oh boy, I can feel that going all the way through her body to the back. Yeah. Deep release. You feel all those muscles relax in your back? Yeah. Wonderful. I'm going to come up even higher. Good. The iliacus muscle, it comes to the medial border of the pelvis, and I'm going to come right in. I'm going to do this with my thumb, and I showed at the beginning pulling, but now I'm going to push away, in and away. You okay? I'm pushing down and away. Good. And we're going to stretch it out a little bit with what's called strain counter strain. My other hand is on this side of the ribs, and this hand's going to be going down. So I'm going to fold